Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 27th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold actually did have a pretty decent little move up. I was expecting this right here to be a wave B, this to be a wave A, and just like I was saying this morning, I was expecting this to go down and make a wave C, probably taking out the low of wave 4. Now, one thing that we do need to keep in mind, which is something I keep mentioning in my videos on gold, is that all the higher time frames are possibly in a wave 3 of 3, which is a very strong uptrend. If that is true, then this doesn't necessarily have to go down and make a wave C. It very easily could just keep on trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. Now, we're at the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this last push down. If it does make an impulsive move down, if it does break structure, then it probably is a 1, a 2 of wave C, and it probably will end up going down just for the wave C, just like we were planning, taking out the low of wave 4. If it doesn't respect this fib level, then I would just keep on looking for longs on shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.